Christy Yamaguchi was a teenager when she won Olympic gold and millions of fans.
It's a really proud moment to be there representing your country is an amazing feeling.
Christy continues to skate professionally, and so does her hockey player husband. But as parents, they have a major priority off the ice, their daughter's well-being. Christy knows oral health is a big part of the picture.
Well, I think I was lucky when it came to dental health growing up because my dad is a dentist. Early on, he taught us good oral health habits and the importance of brushing our teeth, and obviously we were at his dental office a lot. I think I was just lucky that way.
We may not all have a dentist in the family, but we all have something in common with Christy Yamaguchi. We want our kids to be healthy. Taking care of their teeth and mouth can prevent painful cavities, infections, sore gums, and other health problems. Even as children get older, they still need encouragement and help.
I still supervise my kids brushing their teeth, just making sure they get all the corners of their mouth, the upper and the both sides, the lower both sides, and the inside and the outside.
Remember the basics. Brush for at least 2 minutes.
If your kids see you taking care of your teeth, then they will want to take care of theirs.
The lifelong basics for a healthy, happy smile are brushing twice a day, flossing regularly, eating healthy foods, and visiting your dentist regularly.
At the National Museum of Dentistry, kids are surprised to see the wide variety of implements used to clean teeth in the past. Nowadays, there are even more choices. Here are some things to keep in mind. Whether it's a manual or a power brush, it should be designed for smaller hands and mouths.
Make sure the child has a toothbrush that fits their mouth, nothing too large.
The head size may increase as your child grows, but at any age, the American Academy of Pediatric Dentistry recommends using only soft bristled toothbrushes.
As a mom now and just trying to encourage my kids' involvement in their own oral health, one fun thing is letting them pick out their own toothbrushes. Then they're excited. Then you get home and they want to brush their teeth.
If you're considering a power brush, there are several choices, defined by how the brush head moves. Rotating, with a brush head that moves continuously. Oscillating, with a head moving back and forth. Pulsating, with a brush head that vibrates. And sonic, with a brush head that delivers a very fast but gentle sweeping motion. Some power toothbrushes are designed specifically to help children learn successful oral health habits, with a lower power setting and a handle shaped for children's hands.
Great job.
A power brush is a very appropriate instrument for children because it's a great motivator.
Put your chin up high. There we go.
Power brushes also might have a built-in timer, including a beep every 15 to 30 seconds to cue the child to move to a new location in the mouth.
That says go to the next quadrant.
Sometimes we perceive that we've brushed for a long time and we've only brushed for a very short time. I like a timer for a child because it tells them exactly how long to brush.
If you're considering a power brush, you might want to talk it over with your dentist or hygienist.
A power brush should be positioned in the mouth the same way that a manual brush would, is that you place it along the tooth surface and slightly angle those bristles so they're pointing towards the gums.
And then you would just want to angle the brush slightly towards the gum, right where the gums and the teeth meet. And then, especially a sonic toothbrush, all they have to do is move the brush gently around from tooth to tooth, keeping the brush angled right at the gum line.
Keeping smiles healthy. It's something we pass along from generation to generation.
I always say that, plaque grows on your teeth and you brush it away and it comes back again. It's like email, it fills up your inbox, you delete it, you get more email, and there's nothing more important for good oral health than establishing a pattern of good oral hygiene.
It's so important to teach young children about good oral health. Good oral health, when a child is young, is the foundation for the rest of their life.
I think developing healthy oral habits early on is the key. And, if you enforce that when they're young, it just becomes, natural to them.
This makes for a lifetime of oral health and beautiful smiles.